Hey guys, so this is our first interactive case study number 1. I'm giving this to you guys from an anonymous caller, and you will have a few days to figure out what you want to say. I do so much talking. I get tired of talking all the time. I want to see how you guys think. Let's have an open discussion. Listen to this, listen to it again. I'm going to give you a few days and we're going to come back, and I'm just going to sit back and let you guys answer this question for this anonymous issue right here. So listen and think about it.
Hello, Shecago. Thank you for having me here today. I have a problem, and I hope you can help me. I have a customer, and I've been doing her for a long time. She spends a lot of money with me, and she has brought me so many clients. Actually, she is the person who helped me to build my clientele, I must admit. But as time has gone on, I notice that this client has become more demanding, asking for extra rhinestones, really questioning the prices that I charge, always reminding me of all the people that she brought to me. And I know that a lot of the people are her friends and her family. So I usually give in. But lately it's gotten to be just way too much for me, and I don't know what to do. I almost feel like I want to just end the working relationship because it's become that bad. But I feel like if I do that, I will lose all of the people that she brought to me. What should I do?
So there you have it. You got a few days to figure it out. Share, tell a friend, and let's come in. I'll give you guys a heads up and we can discuss. No, you will discuss. I'm going to let you all help this person. I'm just going to sit back. So I'll give you all a heads up and we'll go live, and it'll say, "Hey, case study coming up in 30 minutes or an hour. Be ready." Bring your friends in. Let's see what people got to say.